I know you, and you want to start converting audio to MIDI today. So bad, but hardware solutions and most software solutions, those cost mucho moolah. You want to start converting audio to MIDI today so bad. Which brings us to just a regular electric guitar, a Reggie guitar, if you will. The guitar, such a beautiful instrument with, honestly, a beautiful natural tone. So let's make it sound like a keyboard. Audio to MIDI conversion lets you take relatively complex chords that you play on the guitar and turn them into notes that you can use on any virtual instrument. Now, I use Logic and Ableton, but damn it, does Ableton keep pulling me back in there? It's because they got some of these features that Logic just doesn't have, like this MIDI to audio harmony thingy. Back up, let's start by recording a guitar. Now, I've had a chance to experiment with this a bit, and I found that if you picture yourself playing the piano while you're playing the guitar, or just play a few flat chords with a few notes added here and there, it will sound more like a piano when we're done. Now all we have to do is right click on the audio and go to convert harmony to new MIDI track and wait. The last step is to open up our MIDI track and delete a few errant notes. Now we can just slap a piano VST on there and our guitar now sounds like a piano. There you have it. Now go practice the piano.